What is up, guys? Thanks for stopping by. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Canon 15-35 RF. This is the 2.8 version. It's my second lens. My first lens was the 50mm, and I got that one to start with because a lot of people were saying the 50mm is basically the most versatile lens you can get, and so that's why I ended up buying the 50 to start out with, and I'm definitely happy I did. I just find myself needing a little bit more of a wide shot if I'm trying to take like pictures on a table or something like that. I'm finding that I have to get really like far up to get all of what I need in shot, and even then sometimes I have to like really condense things. So wanted something a little bit wider. A wide angle lens is also really good for taking roller shots of cars, and that's something I love doing. So yeah. Golly.
5 minutes later.
Here it is, the Canon 15-35 RF. Absolutely beautiful lens. Not sure exactly how heavy it is compared to the 50. You would think that I would know that spec, but I didn't look it up. So yeah, usual books. I'll set those aside. No one uses that case. Like, really? Does anyone actually use this? Styrofoam. Here it is. Oh wait, no, this is the lens hood. Probably won't be using this either. Unwrap this real quick. This is a very small lens hood because it's a wide angle, so I guess it has to be like this to avoid vignetting. But yeah, that's not a big lens hood by any means. Definitely don't want to lose that because it would probably cost me like $80 to get another one because the price of lens hoods are ridiculous. And here is the beauty itself. It's actually not too heavy. Yes, indeed. This is a beautiful lens. Super excited to get this on my camera and start shooting photos and video with it. Probably going to become my new main lens for shooting video. Oh yeah, that's very pretty. Let's get a little ASMR in here. Oh yes. There it is. If it can focus, the Canon RF 15-35 2.8. Absolutely beautiful lens. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing on the camera and start playing around with it. Maybe shoot some video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more tech reviews and some stuff about photography too, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video, drop a like, comment, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.